Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, welcome to another lesson with myself, Mr. Iqbal. I'm joined today with my student Abdullah, and we will be looking at plans and elevations. Now, when we talk about a plan, we're talking about looking at a 3D object from the top. And an elevation, normally we're talking about a front elevation, means looking at the 3D shape from the front as though you're standing and looking at it from this angle here. Plan looking from the top. Now it says here on this question, which is clip 81 in the Maths What Grade D question, on the grid below, draw the front elevation of the prism from the direction marked by the arrow. So we have to draw this 3D shape as though we were standing in front of the shape looking at this front face here. So we need to draw this part here. So we know it has a height of 2. So it has a height of 2. We know the length on the bottom is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we know the top part has 1, 2, 3 length. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we could join these points up with the ruler. And here we have it. We have here the front elevation. Okay. Now, the next part says on the grid below, draw a plan of the prism. The plan of the prism means as though we were from the top, we were hovering above this 3D shape, looking at it straight from the top. So what would we see? And in this particular instance, what we will see, if I look back at the original shape now, we would see this part here from the top, if we were hovering in a helicopter, and we'd also see this part here, but we wouldn't see the slant. It would be as though it is another rectangle. So let's have a look at that then. So the top first part is going to be 2 by 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first of all we're going to have this part here, which is going to be 2 by 3. One of the easiest way to do it is to drop a line straight from the front elevation. So we're going to have a 2 by 3. That's the first part, which corresponds to this part here. Okay. Next we have the rectangular part, the sloping part, and that will have a displacement of 2, which is represented here. So we will see from the sky just another, like actually be a small square. So if we join them up, okay, so if we look back at our original shape, this 2 by 3 rectangular base there will be represented by over here 3 by 2. Now the sloping part here, which is captured in the front elevation here, has a displacement here of 2 across, so it will be replaced by a 2 across here as well. So we will see this part here as a small square from the top. So let's make the line a bit more darker. Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. So this is called the plan view. Okay, we try to link it up with our front elevation. Thank you for joining us on this question. Please join us in the next question.